Folks, just rubbing it back. We're done now, so we're with the priming on the canopy here, so just going to rub it back and we'll take it from there. Ready to go, folks. All rubbed, ready for some colour now, guys. Done, ripper. Just masking up, guys. Hey legends, here we are. As you can see, we've got the canopy painted. We've got the fuselage still in primer, but I've actually had this rubbed back and I re-primed again in a few spots where I'd rubbed through, as well as I've tried to just cover in a few more of the pinholes, some scratches. So I've only just re-primed in a few spots here, not the whole lot. So we'll give that a hit with some paper tomorrow and hopefully we can get some colour on this. Reasonably happy with how this nose has turned out. from a particular incident, which we won't continue to mention again. And as you can see, we have got the canopy done in a nice yellow. I think this is chrome yellow it's called. As I said, Tamiya, the 100ml little paint can. And as you can see, she's very glossy. It's actually come out a lot better than I anticipated, really. I didn't think it'd be that good. Covers reasonably well, but I did find out, because I've had to sort of coat this once, rub it back and then do it again, because the first time I got some runs just around the top of this engine cover, as it would be if it was on the normal size heli, full size. Quite a few radiuses both on the canopy and fuselage, so I'll have to take note for what I did here to do on this one. So I got some runs, had to rub it back, and we've gone again. So to avoid that, I've pretty much just gone with dust coat, light dust coats, once over, around, give it a few minutes between coats just to tack off, and then hit it again. So it's probably got between maybe 4 to 6 times it's sort of coming across, and I'm just looking at it. No, it's not a run. I just thought I spotted a run with the glare, but no, it's come up quite well, but just doing light dust coats in and around, just taking your time, being patient, not throwing it all on there in one hit, because that's when you get problems. I've had a bit of warmth in the air today, which has helped with it as well, to tack off quite quickly. But that's where we are, folks. So I will endeavour to re-rub this tomorrow for some colour, and this one is now right. So we will end up rubbing this back, even though we've got a nice glossy coat on it. It is going to get rubbed back, so I can add the red and also add my vinyl stickers or vinyl decals to it, and then I will be clear coating the whole lot once everything's done. But for a sort of little Tamiya aerosol pack, I'm actually impressed. It's just come out quite well. So stay tuned. We will see once we get this bad boy sorted out, how well the Tamiya colour goes down, and if I'm re-rubbing and then repainting this. But yeah, slow and steady wins the race, guys, and it's all about, having a go, creating something, having a crack, and thinking outside the box at times, so to speak. All right, stay tuned for the follow on or follow up